Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. And I was asked a few days ago to do the 5-minute makeup challenge by Ms. Holly Posh and see if I would be up to doing it, so I thought I would try. So if you'd like to see me do this, please stay tuned. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. I do have everything right here in front of my desk. I honestly do not think I can do this. There's just no way. No. Okay, let's see. Let's put my hair back. It's wet. I just jumped out of the shower. So, I have a clock here. Let me see if I can put 5 minutes on it, if I can get this thing to work. 5-minute thing on my phone. Oh, my phone is dirty. I don't think I can do this. Oh, Lord. Okay, so I am going to hit the play button now. Is it counting? Come on, work. Oh boy, there it goes. Okay, I'm already wasting time. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime. And I'm gonna talk really fast. So, and I will try to go through the products as I use them, but if I don't, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, next foundation. Oh boy. And no, I am not going to be putting on the caps. I'm using my Lancome and I think it's my Super Stay by Maybelline. Drop of this. Oil in it. Oh boy. Where's my sponge? I don't know how anybody can do this. There's absolutely no way. Oh gosh. I have 4 minutes left. My face is getting a beating. Okay, and I think you're supposed to spend a whole minute doing your face. Whatever. Okay. Concealer. I'm using my Smashbox. Oh my gosh. Yep. This is gonna look so beautiful. Uh, 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Ah, I don't think I can do that. I'm trying. Okay, contour stick. And I just put that in the wrong place. Ah. Powder. Where's the powder? Ah. Oh my gosh. No. I don't know where I put my powder. Oh Lord. I guess we're gonna skip that because I don't know where I put it. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, there it is. I found it. Brush. Sorry. Okay. Contour. Oh my gosh, I have 2 minutes left. There's no way. Blush. I just put way too much on. Whatever. Highlight. I know you're here somewhere. That's the hardest part when you don't know where your products are. Brush. I should have just put my brushes out. Oh my gosh, this is not even the right brush. Okay. I will do a lip real fast because that's not usually the way I go, but oh, I can't do that. Yep, no, eyes. Let's see. What can I do? I don't even care what brush. I don't even care what color. I am down to 1 minute and 5 seconds. How do you guys do this? It's impossible. You know what? I'm just gonna throw some on my fingers. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. Whatever. Okay. Mascara. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. Oh. I can't even do my mascara right. Oh gosh, 19 seconds left. Ooh, let's see if we can do some more. Put some more stuff in. I'm probably just gonna make myself more horrible. Yeah, that's bad. Brush. Blend. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that was fun. No, I don't ever want to do this again. Nope. But no, I enjoyed that. That was fun. I am sending this challenge to my friend, the Book of Amanda Beth, and she will be uploading hers right after mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm out of breath. I am winded. Okay, guys, and don't forget, I do have that giveaway going on. All you got to do is comment on the video, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.